The contribution of Nomyark in our farming communities is the development of less cost production technologies and sustainable production technologies. Since 2007, we have generated 89 production technologies, and from there the farmer were able to adapt the technologies and have an increased income. Nomyark as a center has only limited staff because of the non-filling up of vacant positions. So because of that, the regional office also has limited funding source for RDE activities. So we take off from that, and then we tried our best to link with international funding institutions and local funding institutions. Some of the international funding institutions, we have Agrico for our potato trials. We have ASHAR for our ASHAR BW and white potato and soils trials. We have ISSNM that is funded by Malaysia, and ICRISAT for our legume trials and sweet sorghum trials. For our local partners, we relied on BAR as our major funding source for our major projects. Most of the funding that we got from BAR is on networking activities, zonal and regional, and also for CIPAR. We have a lot of CIPAR projects in Region 10. CIPAR on corn-based farming systems, on potato, on coconut-based, we have on vegetables. We have 11 to 12 new CIPAR sites distributed all over the region, excluding those that were terminated already. CIPAR in the region is well appreciated by our community partners because the project has displayed ownership by the community members, and then they have developed and inculcated in their mind the values that is being given to them because they underwent some trainings on value formation, technical trainings that equip them on how the technologies that are implemented in their field are being done. Other local partners that we have is Picard through DOST. We have Phil Root Crops. We have Bureau of Plant Industry and Phil Rice. We are proud to be named as the White Potato Center in Mindanao. Since 1997, the center has tried so much on developing technologies on white potato production, especially on the production of clean planting materials, because the potato industry has been beset by lack of planting materials. We need clean planting materials because most of our areas that are suited for potato production is now infected with bacterial wilt because of the other host plants that are planted in the area supposed to be planted with white potato. With the technology that we're offering to the farmers have sustained the industry. Another technology is we have developed also some integrated farming management on BW management, integrated approaches on managing bacterial wilt in the soil. And these are the major interventions that we're offering to the farmer that made the industry sustain over the years. But even with that effort, we still need to produce more planting material. The production system with the farmer should be developed so that there will be no more importation of white potato. Part of very important component of technology generation is technology dissemination. We really exerted effort that every time we have technologies that are ready for dissemination, we will conduct field days. In fact, for the last 18 years, we're conducting annually farmers' field days and technology forum, where thousands of farmers every day will come and then witness for themselves the showcase that we're doing. They can also have interaction with our technical experts. Another dissemination strategies that we're doing is through provision of technical assistance to farmers and walk-in clients. And then we also act as resource persons in many trainings. In September 2002, BAR has designated Northern Mindanao Integrated Agricultural Research Center, or NOMIARC, as the zonal center for Mindanao. It is, of course, because of our exemplary performance as a research center. It's on that basis. So the task of the center as the zonal center for Mindanao is to orchestrate the other 6 regions in terms of their R&D activities. And the major task also is to unify the other 6 regions in terms of formulating their research, development, extension agenda. And we have our mission and vision for the whole Mindanao in terms of RDE. And it's a big savings for BAR to monitor all the regions because they have to come once, because the 6 regions will have its quarterly meeting for the updating of the status of their R&D and for updates from BAR. We're just recently awarded as the Pag-asa Award for the civil service for our performance. Even if the center has already achieved several awards, we would like still to see the center 10 years from now to be at par with international research centers in terms of technologies being generated and facilities.